We're here today with about 300 of our wellness advocates in Jamaica at a farm called Farm Up Jamaica.
So Farm Up Jamaica is here to help reduce the importation of foreign food into Jamaica, increase Jamaican exports, put young people and farmers back to work in sustainable organic farming, and help to reduce crime and poverty by creating opportunities for people who need them most. We call it putting idle hands to idle lands.
With these 300 wellness advocates we have here today, this is important. This is showing the community through us and through working with the local young men and young women here on this farm the importance of agriculture. Among the various tasks that our wellness advocates are involved with today, it's planting pineapples. For instance, you take the tops, the suckers, if you will, and strip them and prepare them to be planted. The goal is to plant about 10,000 of these, capable of planting 30,000 here on this farm.
Planted pineapples to sustain Jamaica pineapple production. So you guys came and you did an amazing job, because if it wasn't for you guys' help, we wouldn't have all of this done.